Hey guys, what's up? Ramon here once again. So today I'm doing a little video about a friend of mine. I had a chase piece that he wanted. He really wanted it, so we made a little deal and traded. You guys might know him as Heavy Metal 164 on YouTube. He is a huge YouTuber, man. He is a very big YouTuber. But yeah, here's a couple cars that he actually traded. Well, two cars that he traded me for it. The first one is this one. I had my eye on it from a video that he did, and I asked him if he would trade this on another car. He said yeah. So I got this beauty in my hand. This is actually one of my dream cars here, the McLaren. But this is a Kyosho. This is my first one. I've never had one before, and man, is he right. The detail, quality of work. I mean, look at that paint job. You know, I thought it was just yellow, but it has like a pearl in it or something. I don't know. But I can't take it off because I don't know where my screwdriver is at. I don't want to get up and look for it, but jeez, look at that. Awesome. Not that I need more cars to collect, but man. Those side mirrors are something else. Beautiful. Hopefully I have something else you might like so I can snag some more of these kind of cars. Man, what a beauty. So that's that one. The other one is this Dodge Power Wagon, and it's a green machine. I've never seen a full body in person that's all green, but it's a Power Wagon. This thing is amazing. It's from Greenlight. As you guys know, I do collect excuse me, Dodge Rams. That's the majority of my collection is Dodge Rams, Chargers, and Challengers. But yeah, this thing is awesome. It's actually a fairly low number too. It's I didn't notice until I checked this morning. It's 161. Man, look at that. Jeez. Beautiful truck. Look at that. They have it all detailed out just like the real thing. Jeez. That's what I like about Greenlight. It's heavy, durable. They always have side mirrors, and they always, which I love, they make it seem like there's like a actual mirror inside the side mirrors. They put silver on there. That thing. That's another cool little detail I like about them. I don't think there's anything I don't like. There is one thing I can say that I don't like is sometimes they don't roll properly. Man, look at that. Even Power Wagon in green. Jeez. I think this is my favorite one out of all my green machines that I have. It's gotta be. Well, detail even on the tires. They got the white letters out. Alright, a while ago, this was months ago. I actually forgot that I gave him a Chase Ultra Red. I forget what it was, but he reminded me a few times that he had a couple cars for me that he was going to give me. I kept forgetting over and over. And Yeah, he threw some extra cars for me that I did not expect. One that I knew was this Gas Monkey. This thing is sweet. I knew that he was gonna give me this a while ago. This was months ago, man. I'm not gonna open it here. I'll crack this in another video. But this thing is sweet. Sweet. Very awesome. Just love it. Chrome bumper on this one, that's nice. Blackout windows, tinted windows. So, thanks, bud. He also threw in these two that I'm about to show you with the deal with the McLaren and the green machine. This thing right here, special delivery. Well, he did a special delivery today. I was actually, no, that was yesterday or today. It's been a long day, I can't even remember. I think it was today actually. Could have been yesterday. No, it was yesterday. Anyway, he asked me if I wanted this one to trade. And I was like, I didn't really like it. You know, I wanted something a little bit different. If I want, you know, to trade. But he ended up giving it to me, and I thought that was awesome. Can't complain at all. Hood opens. Oh yeah, this is from Johnny Lightning. I never knew that Johnny Lightning did a Dodge Ram. Okay. Now, I'm gonna start looking up so I can get some more, because as you guys know, I am a Dodge guy. Never knew it. So detailed. Bed. Side mirrors too, that's sweet. Beautiful truck. Yellow tires on the outside. That's sweet. That is sweet. So he also gave me this other Dodge that I did not expect. Single cab. This is awesome. Haven't seen. I mean, nowadays it's hard to see a single cab truck out there, and if you do, they look weird. But check this out, man. It's freaking nice. Oh, you know, the hood opens. Has an old school side mirrors on it. Rubber tires. Oh, and this is from Auto World, I believe. No, this is Racing Champions. That's another truck. I mean, I didn't even know they made trucks either. So, surprise, surprise. They got the old school blue interior, like back in the day where they actually were. They're more like a, I don't know, aqua blue or something. But nice. Wipers have a silver paint job on them. It's nice. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful. So thanks, bud. Now, last but not least, I was gonna buy this a while ago, but I didn't get around to it. But he also gave me this guy. I mean, look how awesome. That's a beast right there. 2500 Dodge Ram. That's a truck. That is a truck. I'm gonna say one thing about the real Dodge trucks that I don't like, the newer ones, is the stick shifter is gone. You don't have it on the steering wheel anymore or in the center console. It's actually a little knob that you turn, you know? It's like an AC knob. Yeah, do not like that, Dodge. Give me a second. So, I know I'm picky, you know, but another thing I would like to see from Greenlight is the hood's opening. I would really like that. So this came with a trailer, and he also gave me the trailer. Now, I am surprised how heavy this sucker is, man. But, man. Got a light bar. Make sure you know what you're doing over there. Man, this thing is awesome. So thanks, bud. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, this is, like I said, my favorite truck. Favorite Greenlight. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, Ramon is out.